Son, protect us against the torments of this shepherd's god.
Okay, that'll teach Raw. That's better. Oh, hello. Poor nut.
I will bring one more plague on Pharaoh and on Egypt. The Lord will pass through Egypt, and all the firstborn in the land will die. But each house of Israel shall smear lamb's blood on the doorposts as a sign. And the Lord will see the blood of the lamb and will pass over those houses. Even the firstborn of Pharaoh shall perish. Get out! Leave my people and take the rest of the Israelites with you!